Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Business Clinic session. Today, Eagle Consultant Group will delve into a fascinating case study that analyzes Akzonobel's corporate social responsibility strategy. This giant of the industry provides us with a unique opportunity to explore how a leading company addresses its commitment to society and the environment. We will kick off our journey by reviewing the market in which Akzonobel operates, delving into its product portfolio and geographic reach to understand its competitive position. Next, we will immerse ourselves in the CSR framework, exploring the renowned Carroll's Pyramid and the triple bottom line to assess the impact of Akzonobel's actions on society and the planet. Throughout our session, we will unravel the secrets behind Akzonobel's sustainable success, identifying its strengths and weaknesses through a SWOT analysis. Additionally, we will compare its CSR strategy with competitors to draw valuable insights. At the end of the journey, we will provide well-founded recommendations and justifications that will not only enhance Akzonobel's competitiveness, but also strengthen its commitment to sustainability. Let's get started.
The paint and coating industry plays a significant role in the global chemical sector. Coatings serve functional or decorative purposes, with paints offering protection and color. Valued at $179 billion in 2023, the industry is projected to exceed $255 billion by 2032, driven by demand from various sectors including construction, automotive, industrial, wood, aerospace, and packaging. While numerous regional producers exist, about 10 major multinationals dominate the market. Big companies joining together is a big trend, especially among the top ones.
It is of essence to note that since the advent of new technology, the industry has witnessed a dynamic shift in its supply chain. The threat of substitution and competitive rival remains unlimited as sustainability becomes priority for both customers and supplier. Akzonobel, being a major player in the industry, noticed this and then committed to a great zeal of strategic goals to edge against all this negative impact that may arise from other threats. By ensuring that its corporate governance for markets and product portfolio revolve around these strategic goals, which include the sustainability goals, the community engagement, ethical business practices, continuous improvement, and transparencies. These are then further broken down into what we can relate to macro environment and the micro environment in terms of the market review and the product portfolios. So, them now being able to manage these successfully and has given them an edge to maintain a strong relationship with its suppliers and continue and to enable them continue the transformation and sustainable solution, which give rise to its revenue by 40% of over 10 billion revenue in 2022 and targeting above 50% sustainable solution in 2030. This has then influenced its supplier dynamics and bargaining power over its competitors. My colleague will provide more insight to its CSR initiatives and comparing this with its competitors in the market. Thank you.
To analyze Akzonobel CSR, we integrate two key frameworks, starting with the Carroll's Pyramid, where the economic aspect forms the base. Asconobel fulfills its economic duty by producing essential goods profitably, meeting stakeholder expectations through sustainable financial performance, generating profits, and innovating high-quality products. Talking about the legal responsibility, the company diligently follows law and regulations in all countries of operation, ensuring compliance with intellectual property, product safety, and environmental standards, emphasizing governance and integrity. Asconobel, in the ethical responsibility, integrates moral values across operations, focusing on environmental sustainability through recyclable packaging. It educates customers on efficient product use and prioritizes human rights, fair labor practices, diversity, and equality. By last, Asconobel philanthropic efforts target sustainable cities, education, and environmental issues through the Human Cities program. Collaborating with stakeholders supports initiatives like water management and climate change. The second framework is the triple bottom line, where we use Asconobel slogan People, Planet, Paint for the analysis. Paint, that is our profit, Asconobel innovates to offer sustainable paints and coatings, aligning financial success with responsible practices benefiting people and the planet. While profit remains a critical factor for any business, Asconobel demonstrates that it is possible to align financial success with responsible practices and benefit both people and planet. The ambitions include revenue from sustainable solutions by the 2030 and using 50% recycled content in plastic packaging by 2025. Talking about the planet, the company aims to be carbon neutral by 2030 through renewable energy use, emission reduction targets, and eco-friendly practices to reduce waste and environmental impacts. And by last, people. Asconobel focuses on the treating people and suppliers well, promoting human rights, inclusivity, diversity, and supporting local communities through initiatives like the Human Cities Initiative. Ambitions include increasing female executives by the 30% by 2025, revitalizing communities through projects, and 35,000 community members trained in the 2025.
Evolution of Akzonobel CSR. First, energy efficiency in 2022 reduced costs and create innovative low polluting powder coating for agriculture, construction, and equipment, helping clients minimize energy usage. Second, by 2023, 77% of plastic packaging will contain recycled content, indicating progress towards transforming the rest by 2025. Striving for the reduction, reuse, and renewal of material, leading to products that provide enhanced protection and durability for surfaces. Third one, and the last one, is innovate Akzonobel in a powder coating solution that coat edges with only one or two layers compared to other coating on the market, enabling the reduction of the amount of waste and increasing the circular use of materials. To continue, we talk about the competitive advantage and sustainability. Advantage. A strategy to achieve a balance between the growth and enhancing profitability of Akzonobel in comparison to its competitors. First, total inexpensive and appealing market. Second, top-tier selection of brands. Third one, well-diversified geographic presence, half of the revenue generated for emerging markets. Four, well-positioned to drive growth and improve profitability. And five, robust cash flow. And continue with the sustainability ambition. We have four. The first one is reduce carbon emission by 50% in their activities across the value chain compared to the baseline in 2018. Second, they accomplish 100% circular material usage in their operation using the principle of reuse, and recycle. Third one, half of the income comes from sustainable solution. And the last one, over 100 residents of local communities have been equipped with new schools.
Based on Akzonobel SWOT analysis, Akzonobel is the largest global paints and coating company, operating in over 80 countries with a workforce of around 50,000 people. It holds a significant position in specialty chemicals and is listed on the Dow Jones Sustainability Index. While Akzonobel boasts a wide range of products and invests in continuous research and development, it faces challenges in rapidly changing customer preferences and requires substantial working capital. Opportunities lie in the growth of Asian markets and a strong financial position, but threats include competition, raw material scarcity, and evolving customer perceptions.
Here is a competitor's CSR strategies comparison. For Akzonobel, the strength is that they have well-diversified geographic presence. Sherwin-Williams have highly skilled workforce, and PPG have invested heavily in employment training. The weakness Akzonobel have is that workers of one of Akzonobel's brands went on a strike. Sherwin-Williams face a lot of controversies, and PPG's growing is minimum as compared to its competitors. The competitive advantage Akzonobel have is that they have well-positioned eco products. Sherwin-Williams have excellent brand reputation, and PPG have diversified and specialized coating. For sustainability, Akzonobel have employ 100% circular materials in their processes. Sherwin-Williams is reducing greenhouse gas emissions from their processes, and PPG is continuously find new solutions to decrease packaging and increase resource efficiency. Now, here is a comparison of Akzonobel and its competitors using the VRIO framework. In this table, we can see that in the aspect of value, Sherwin-Williams have a strong brand reputation and extensive retail presence. And BSF have diversified product portfolio, extensive R&D capabilities. In rarity aspect, Sherwin-Williams have extensive retail network, a strong brand recognition, while the other companies have unique product formulations, innovation, and R&D efforts. In inimitability aspects, Sherwin-Williams have established distribution network and a strong brand recognition, while the other companies have patented technologies, specialized expertise in coatings and chemicals. In the aspect of organizational support, Sherwin-Williams have strong focus on customer needs, while on the other hand, BASF have decentralized structure and they emphasize on innovation. Now, after analyzing the Akzonobel's current situation and the evaluation of its competitors, we are giving some strategic recommendations for the improvement of Akzonobel. For innovation and differentiation, they should prioritize the use of renewable, non-toxic and biodegradable raw materials. Number 2, investigating the possibility of reducing dependency on fossil fuels. Number 3, adopting the concepts of the circular economy by creating durable, reusable and recyclable products. Number 4, openly and honestly informing stakeholders on sustainability efforts. For network expansion, they should determine the important chemical and coatings growth markets. They can also form alliances with wholesalers, retailers, and distributors to expand their market reach and to reach new clients. For talent development and diversity, they should draw in, keep, and nurture exceptional people from a variety of fields, invest in talent development initiatives. They can also encourage an inclusive and diverse culture inside the company to fully use the capabilities of a varied workforce. They can also
give staff members chances for lifelong development and professional progression. Thank you.
So finally, the conclusion is: first one, the presentation aimed to introduce the audience to Akzonobel organization and analyze its corporate social responsibility in action within the current pyramid and the triple bottom line framework. It also sought to evaluate the existing strategies and provide recommendation for enhancing CSR effort. The last one, the contrasted Akzonobel to its nearest rivals, Sherwin-Williams and PPG Industries, to evaluate their strengths, shortcomings, and unique competitive advantage in the market. This presentation critically analyzes the competitive advantage and sustainability initiative of Akzonobel and its rival in the context of multicultural world that prioritizes environmental concerns. Thank you. We continue with the reference, and then we present the Eagle Consultant Group. This is the team for Eagle Consultant Group. Thank you for watching this video.